looking for a home with a quick commute to Highway 401, 403 and 407? Are you looking for a home with quick drive to Square One Mall? Are you looking for a home with a basement apartment with income potential up to $2,500 a month? Well, look no further and just focus on this home on 202 Nahani Way. I am Sanjay Gupta, listing agent with eXp Realty, working in the best interest of seller always. Very proud to talk about this home, which is filled with positive vibes, tremendous potential, functionality and very happy memories. Welcome to 202 Nahani Way in Ontario neighborhood of Mississauga. This home has excellent custom home-like curb appeal with stone exterior, charming plants and mature trees all around. It comes with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, separate family, living and dining rooms. This location, you are living in the middle of all amenities that anyone can wish for. Highest ranking elementary and high schools are just right in front of this house. Huge Nahani Park and recreational centers are at the stone's throw away. Once you're here, you don't need to move ever again, I promise. Can't wait to take you inside. Let's go. Getting through this double door entrance, you are welcome to the 18 feet tall foyer to give you tons of natural light. This completely separate living room is where you invite your guests and throw party or watch your favorite Netflix series. Always owner occupied home. I'm already feeling those positive vibes talking about this family room. You can separate both living and family room now. Dedicated dining room is for any large family to enjoy those delicious meals with the warmness from the real wood fireplace. This is very rare nowadays, believe me. Fully updated kitchen with granite countertop and stainless steel appliances. I'm talking to you, the food lovers. Cook some delicious food in this kitchen with me. Check out the spacious master bedroom that fits any size king bed for much required deep sleep and seeing those dreams together. It comes with 5-piece ensuite as well. All other 3 bedrooms are generous in size with large windows and closets for all your near and dear ones. Let's check out this $2,000 per month income generating basement apartment. It comes with 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, separate side entrance, ready to be rented for again more than $2,000 per rent guarantee. The backyard is our most favorite place to barbecue and spend time with family and friends. It has amazing green space with flowering plants and plum trees and invites a variety of unique birds to this backyard. Because of the beautiful wine-covered patio, you have privacy and you could spend time in this backyard without being disturbed. Overall, 10 out of 10, and you cannot miss this home with ample possibilities for your family's future. Call me right now. Remember, Sanjay means selling. Keep smiling and see you at the next listing.